How to create import purchase invoice in Businet. Users can create a new import invoice after selecting the supplier and the GRN number after clicking on Add button. The respective items will be auto-populated with details such as price, value, quantity, other charges, etc. Further, users can also allocate cost centers against GL accounts, and once the document is approved, the financial voucher will be auto-posted in the financial accounting module. Users can also generate PDF print for the respective invoice. Thank you. For more details or queries, please contact Businet team.